Guys, we've made it to Watamu. I don't know about you, but I just love staying at beautiful hotels. So this is a beautiful hotel. It's called Palm Garden. Hello from Watamu. We're coming to the end of what has been a very okay, I don't know, my mind was I was going to say wild, and it's like, girl, calm down. This is not a tiger music video. This is not, can you take a dip? It's a vlog, relax. So we're coming to the end of what has been a very exciting, yeah, that's a better adjective, an exciting, fun trip through the North Coast. The North Coast is my favorite, I would say. Or for some reason I just end up not going to the South Coast, like Diani and all of that. As much as I should, I do love the North Coast, like Watamu, Malindi, Kilifi, all the way to Lamu. Favorite. Welcome to this vlog. I'm currently staying at Palm Garden Boutique Hotel. As the name suggests, it's a boutique hotel. It has only 9 suites. So the one we're staying in, it's a deluxe suite, and it has 2 separate rooms and a very spacious lounge. One thing about Watamu is it has some really nice hidden gems. Like, you would think you've been to all the places that you need to be to, or you've slept in all the places you need to sleep in, you know, in Watamu, and then you find all these hidden houses like Palm Garden that you just maybe don't necessarily hear about as much. This video is going to be about staying at Palm Garden and then having sundowners at Lichthaus, and I hope you catch a really nice sunset out there. I hope you enjoy this vlog. So you can come lounge on this day bed. Adventure Tom. Umechoka, umeshiba. So sit there and just lounge out here. So this is the upstairs area of the pool bar slash restaurant. It's just patched with makuti, and you get to look down to the pool. Like, you're up in a tree house. In fact, there's a sign that says they don't allow anyone under 18 to come up here. So there are a lot of wooden beams, earth tones, sisal, woven palms, you know, brown seat covers. It's very earthy out here, which I always find, and rattan, bamboo, I always find that works really well with properties. And then it's of course offset by the bright colors down here, especially that pop of blue down. And I can see why they don't allow kids up here, but it's lovely. There are so many lounging areas out here. So our room is actually up there, and yeah, so many lounging areas here. This is the actual pool bar itself. Let me show you guys around this. Hello. Really drawn to this wall art. It's such a centerpiece, just black and white, so striking. Like, it's the first thing you notice even when you're standing really far away from this space. Look at that, beautiful. And then the colors, like, it just really works perfectly. Whoever did the decor here really thought things through. Up there behind the bar, they have a lot of, I like how they've displayed their drinks as well.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
There are different pronunciations for this word. I'm still not sure how it's actually pronounced. Like, is it Lichthaus or Lichthaus or not sure. Here's my drink. It's someone's birthday and we have cake. I'm in the restaurant just waiting for breakfast to be served, having a passion juice. Listen, if there's one thing, right? If there's one thing, morning. It's Shonade.
How was Lichthaus?
Oh, it was fun. It was actually fun. We didn't get a sunset though.
You were late?
No, we were not late. It was cloudy.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so that was disappointing, but it's such a nice place.
You found a place to sit?
Yeah, we found a place to sit.
Told her you're from
Because we booked, yeah. She said you called her.
Yeah,
so
yeah,
that's why she gave us a nice seat. Yeah. Thank you.
I'll see you.
Sawa. So, just having a passion juice, I was saying, if there's one thing, okay, Kenyans love a passion juice, right? If you're Kenyan, you're probably ordering, but it's because we have such nice passion fruits here, right? And those guys do a really nice one. Guys, that's it for this video. That's it for Watamu. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it makes you want to come to Palm Garden, and I hope it makes you want to go to Lichthaus. And I'm gonna head to Nairobi now. I'm gonna have breakfast first, then to Nairobi. I will see you in my next video. Trust me, I'm gonna be popping up like in that Michael Jackson Thriller video.